Hi, welcome to Jack TV. If you get to this video, this is how to speak Creole. We're gonna continue the course in Creole, and we're gonna listen to the common phrase, common words that we use in Creole, that you could see how you speak Creole. We're gonna start the lesson right now. That's Creole word and phrases said in Creole, and I'm gonna say it in English. After I say it in Creole, I'm gonna say it in English. Lesson start now in Creole, English. Bonjour, good morning. Bonjour, good morning. Bonsoir, good afternoon or good evening. Bonsoir, good afternoon or good evening. Comment are you? How are you? Comment are you? How are you? Nabole. So that's comments. Those are most common greeting and response. Comment are you? Nabole. Oui. Yes. Oui. Yes. Yo. They or them. Yo. They. Them. Non. 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 Merci. Thank you. Merci. Thank you. Way. Help. Way. Help. No merci. No thank you. No merci. No thank you. Souple. Please. Souple. Please. Mérité. You're welcome. Mérité. You're welcome. Pas de problème. No problem. Pas de problème. No problem. Ok. 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 Excusez-moi. Excuse me. Excusez-moi. Excuse me. Moi regrette ça. I'm sorry. Moi regrette ça. I'm sorry. Gain. There is or are. Gain. There is or are. Paguer. There is not or are not. Anyway. Paguer. There is not or not any are not anyway. Moi pas gain. I don't have any. Moi pas gain. I don't have any. C'est comme ça. That's right. C'est comme ça. That's right. Pity pity. A little bit. Pity pity. A little bit. En pile. A lot. En pile. A lot. Gain en pile. There are a lot of. Gain en pile. There are a lot of. I see. Ici. Here. Ici. Here. Là. There. Là. There. Tout bagay en forme. Everything okay. Tout bagay en forme. Everything is okay. Is everything okay? Tout bagay en forme. Is everything okay? Tout bagay en forme. Is everything okay? Pas konye. Not now. Pas konye. Not now. Tout partout. Everywhere. Tout partout. Everywhere. That's where we're gonna stop the lesson. So this is from Jack TV, how to speak Creole. How to speak Creole. This is it. I'm gonna start the lesson right now.